Welcome to NobelBiz webinars.
So when I was brought in an agent, it wasn't like you're just going to be a supervisor now. There was, if I remember correctly, I had actual training plans. So it was like the first week that you're on the floor, we're going to watch you and we're going to talk about motivation and making sure that you're staying present in the section and making sure that you're motivating. Second week, we're going to go into evaluations and coaching and things like that. So yes, good call centers will have not only a training plan for agents, like they say, the training never stops. I think there should be a training plan all the way until you get to a call center director. And then, you're getting training from someone, maybe from a regional status or something like that. So there should be a plan to where someone knows that not only have they received this new opportunity or a position, but that their management is going to make sure that they're successful in it. There's going to be benchmarks. There's going to be measurements for success. There's going to be follow-ups and one-on-ones with that manager. Like, hey, you're doing great here, but we need to see some improvement there. I think that's crucial. Just giving someone a clipboard and a headset and saying, hey, go make everybody sound like you. There are people that can do that, but I wouldn't build a business on that, and I wouldn't trust my contact center agents to that kind of operation now.